It is that time and season once again when tribal people gather across Africa in agrarian communities where yam is considered the king of crops to cut and eat the new yam. This is popularly known as the New Yam Festival. And if you come from any of those communities where the new yam is a thing, why don't you give us a like and share this video with people who might want to see it, and do well to leave comments. And yeah, if it's your first time on the SEVICS Africa YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time we make new content. My name is Michael and I'm your host. So the New Yam Festival is a very important time in the traditional calendar of many people because it marks the end of the planting season of the agricultural year and a birth of the new year. So it signifies new beginnings, new things, new blessings, new life, clean slate. And it's always a great time to come together with loved ones, with family, to have fun, share drinks, and share meals. So usually it's an elaborate ceremony that is often led by the oldest men or traditional rulers in different communities, and sometimes by both. But besides the general events for the whole community, every farming man who has his produce is at liberty to celebrate his own New Yam Festival in his own home with his own family, even before the general one happens. So there are no rules that says you can't eat the new yam until the community has had the event. Technically, once you've done the needful in your home, you've done the prayers, done the rituals, done your Thanksgiving, then you're totally fine and you can go on to eat the new yam. So the festival is accompanied by pomp and pageantry, dance, music, wrestling, and masquerades. The New Yam Festival is popular among many African tribes, but today we are with the people of Nsukka as they mark the New Yam Festival alongside a bunch of other culturally delightful events that they've chosen to celebrate on this day, but our focus will be on the events of the New Yam. So enjoy the scenes from Nsukka and have fun.
I'm the official MC. Arnold. Thank you.
So those were some sights and sounds from the city of Nsukka as the people mark the new yam. And my question would be, have you celebrated the new yam this year? Well, you have to be agrarian to celebrate in the first place. So if you've not grown yam, you probably are not obliged to. And if you don't come from a community where it's celebrated, you're probably not obliged to. But if you can, please do. It's usually a source of blessings and good things in homes and in lives. So if you've seen the video up to this point, then you probably found something you enjoyed watching. Do hit the like button and click on the subscribe button if it's your first time on the channel. Do not hesitate to hit the bell notification icon so that every time we drop a new video, you'd be the first to know. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section. And even if you don't have a question, you could just drop a comment, say great job guys, you know, I love your channel, or whatever it is you feel like saying, but please say something nice. So thank you all for watching, and go watch more videos on the channel. That's how you help us grow. And yes, and if you're feeling extra generous, you can become a member of our channel, and that way you give us a little support every month to help us grow and sustain the work we're doing. We'd really look forward to receiving you. So thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.